This is Honor X6, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app, which comes pre-installed on your phone. Then tap at the plus icon that should appear to your bottom right. Choose the scan option, give Drive app the camera usage permission, and then once the camera interface launches, you will need to take a photo of the document that you would like to scan. So here is mine. Take a decent picture, make sure to frame the entire document. So if you are satisfied with the result, you can proceed or continue. If not, just retake the photo, not a big deal at all. Then at the following interface, you can rotate your file preview, change its color scheme if necessary, and frame the raw picture in order to decide what part of the photo will be included into the final document. Here you can also trim off some unwanted parts of the photo that you would not like to make to the final document, or align the picture if it is not perfectly straight. So, it looks good enough for me. Then once you're ready to save it, just hit the save button over there. In here you can rename the document if you want to. You can also change the drive location that this file will be saved to, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for the document to be uploaded to your drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.